பொண்ணு சௌமிய கன்சீவ் ஆகியிருந்த போது கன்சீவ் ஆகியிருந்த போது ரொம்ப ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குன்னு சொன்னான். ரொம்ப வீக்காக இருக்கும் குழந்தை, ரொம்ப ப்ராப்ளம் இருக்குன்னு சொன்னான். அதனால் நான் பாம்பேயில் எடுத்து ஆகும். பாம்பேலேருந்து நான் அவளை என் பொண்ணை அழைச்சிட்டு வந்துட்டேன். இங்கே பொண்ணு இந்த ஆப்ரேஷன் ஆகி அண்ணாச்சு குழந்தைய பார்த்து ரொம்ப வேண்டாம் இருந்தது. குழந்தைய பார்த்து அவள் கஷ்டங்களாம் தந்து சந்தோஷப்பட்டுட்டு இருப்பான். அப்புறம் குழந்தை வளர்ந்து என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருப்பான். அவள் கொஞ்சம் மாதம் ஆனவுடனே அவள் என்னோட ஹஸ்பண்ட் அப்படி ஆப்பிரிக்காவில் ஏதோ ஒரு ஊரில் வேலையாக இது பேருந்த 2 மாதம். அப்போ அவளுக்கு ஏதோ உடம்பு வந்தவுடனே என் பொண்ணு போகும்படியே ஆச்சு. அவள் போனபோது இந்த குழந்தை சின்ன குழந்தை அம்மா விட்டுட்டு இல்லாத ரொம்ப சிரமப்பட்டது. அப்போ நான் தான் அதை மெல்ல அதை இது பண்ணி அம்மாவை இப்படி வச்சு நான் வச்சுட்டு இருந்தேன். என்ன அதுக்காக எல்லாம் திரும்பி வந்த பிறகு என் பொண்ணு கார்பரேஷன் பேங்க்கில் வேலையாக இருந்தாள். அவளுக்கு இது அது பேர் என்ன ஊர் சங்கர்பள்ளிக்கு அவளுக்கு டிரான்ஸ்ஃபர். அந்த சங்கர்பள்ளிக்கு போயிட்டு இருந்தாவோ. அப்போ குழந்தைய நானே பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தேன். காட்டால் போய் சாயந்தரம் தான் வருவோம். நானே பார்த்துருந்தேன். அப்புறம் குழந்தைக்கு 5 வயசு ஆனாலும் சென்ட்ரல் ஸ்கூலில் படிக்க போட்டோம். அவள் அப்போ இங்கே சென்ட்ரல் ஸ்கூலில் இருந்தாள். அதுக்கப்புறம் அவன் இங்கேயோ அமீர்பேட்டில் ஒரு ரூம்லேருந்து அங்கேருந்து அப்புறம் குழந்தை பஸ்ஸில் தான் வருவோம். ஆட்டோ கிட்டையில் வரமாட்டான். அவளுக்கெல்லாம் பணம் செலவழிக்க மனசு இல்லாது பாடுபடணுங்கிற நினைப்புள்ள ஒரு சின்ன வயசுலேருந்து. அதனால் இதில் வருவோம். வந்து 12வது வரைக்கும் படித்தா. அப்புறம் எங்கள் ஊரில் காலேஜ்லேயும் படித்த பிறகு அவளுக்கு ஒரு ஐசிஐசிஎஸ் பேங்கில் வேலை கிடச்சிது. வேலையும் பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தா. வேலை கொஞ்ச நாள் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கும்போது வச்சா நல்லா இதுக்கு வர எனக்கு கிடச்சோடனே அவளுக்கு கல்யாணமும் ஆகிடுச்சு. கல்யாணம் ஆகி மாப்பிள்ளை பொண்ணோட அமெரிக்கா போயிட்டான். அமெரிக்கா 2 குழந்தை 2 பிள்ளை குழந்தை பிறந்திருக்கு. அதில் சின்ன பிள்ளை பாட்டில் ரொம்ப பிரசித்தமாக ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்குது. பெரியவனா போய் நல்ல பாடகம் நடக்கும். இப்பவும் பக்கவாத்தியங்கள்லாம் வச்சுட்டு கோவிலில் பாடுறது நல்லா. அதனால் குழந்தைகளை படிப்புலேயும் நல்லா குழந்தைய பார்த்து கண்டிப்பாக வளர்த்துட்டு இருக்கா. அதனால் அவளுக்கு 40 வயசு ஆகுது. ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே. ரொம்ப குழந்தைகளோட ஆம்பளோட தீர்க்காசை நல்லா இருக்கணும். அவ்வளோதான்.
Happy birthday, Soumyaka. You've always been my go-to person for any kind of advice, especially marriage advice. Thank you for being there. Thank you for being so awesome. Have a great 40th birthday and a great year ahead.
Happy 40th, Soumya. Wishing you a wonderful, wonderful birthday, 40th birthday. As I was thinking about our time together, one thing that I can recall very clearly is about like how the two of us are just very, very, very different personalities. But in spite of that, I feel like you've always made space for me. Specifically, I think one summer I was spending with you in Hyderabad, and one day you were going for some art summer camp with your friends, and I was there. So I don't know whether you felt like you didn't have a choice, but you did take me to your art classes without feeling like, oh, what is this little sister that I have to like tag along with me. And you never made me feel like that also. You've always made space for me. You've always made me feel good connecting with you. Hope we get a lot more opportunities to connect and spend time with each other in the coming years. Again, have a wonderful, wonderful birthday. Lots of love. Bye.
Happy birthday, Akka.
How are you? Hope you are doing well. Anna is going around spreading rumors that you are 40 years old, it seems. எனக்கு தான் ட்ரூத் தெரியும். You are 18 only. So enjoy your 18th birthday with Madhav, the kids and all your friends. Hope you have a blast. I know it's not the easiest time to go out celebrating because you are under the rule of a nice president. Anna also asked me to share some memories with you. I'm going to share it in two phases. One, I think, is when I was very, very small from Arunodaya, when Amma and Appa used to come and drop me there. You teach me how to play house, teacher, and all that, which I subsequently went and taught Alekia. And the second phase was at SR, when you were trying to, and when you were a little bit more grown up, and I think you were trying to introduce me to your friends, and I used to always keep running away, which in hindsight I shouldn't have done, but seri, okay, ayyo, ponnadi pakara. But anyway, bottom line, enjoy, stay safe, and see you soon. Hope to host you in Kenya in the near future. Hi Akka, how are you? This Anna is going around spreading some rumors that you are 40 years old. I know the truth, and even 18 years now. So many happy returns of the day. Hope you have a blast with Madhav, the kids and your friends, and that Madhav pampers you very well. And stay safe. I know it's not the easiest time to go out celebrating, considering especially that you live under the rule of... So enjoy. I'm not going to share many memories because I sent you a load of pics. I hope it's there in the collage that Anna will make. See you soon.
Hi Akka, wish you a very happy birthday. I hope that irrespective of COVID and maybe limited possibilities, you still have super fun Nikki with the kids and Madhavana. Definitely send us pictures. I just hope that sometime in the near future we all get to meet in person, and maybe we'll just celebrate everybody's birthday together. But until then, definitely stay safe and message you soon. Bye.
Wish you very happy birthday. You're 40, you don't look like a day over 30 at most. When I just hope I look half as amazing as you when I reach your age. Well, as the cookiest cousin, I must say that there's a lot that I've learned from you. How to strike that perfect balance between, being modern without compromising on traditions. How to be hardworking and just so much more. I just wish I had the opportunity to interact with you more and get to know you more. But got to say, I had a blast in the last trip you had to guide me, girl. Like when all of you came to guide last time. Like, I just can't believe you actually took up the me. And just spending time with you there, I was like, oh my god, Akka, so cool. I was just thinking that. So yes, I hope to meet you soon, and I look forward to having so much more fun outings with you. Maybe in the United States. Terila, Pakla. But happy birthday once again, Akka. Love you loads, and take care, and see you soon. Take care.
Hi Soumya, wishing you a very happy birthday.
Hi Soumya, wishing you a very happy birthday. Have fun.
Soumya, Chandni makes remark. Wish you many happy returns of the day. And I remember you as little songs. And I think I played a very important part in your life in finding the second half, or I should say the better half. Wish you all the best. I'm traveling in Ranchi now. I will speak to you later, and have a wonderful birthday. My blessings and wishes to you.
Happy birthday, Soumi! I hope you have a wonderful birthday with your family and friends, and I hope to see you sometime soon. Bye, Soumi.
Hi Soumi, happy 40th. For me, I feel you have stopped growing after your 30th year. You look 30 only, and you don't look like a mother of two children who are growing up so fast, yeah. You look so young, maintaining yourself so well, so fit. And I always, I'm amazed by your diet consciousness and your exercise, exercising ability and all. And always I keep telling Nandu also that, you have just stopped becoming old. You've just stopped at 30. So, you're very blessed. You have an amazing husband, 2 lovely children. What more can you ask for, no? So stay blessed.
Hi Somi, happy 40th birthday. I can't believe that you have become 40 years old. To my eyes, you look still as a small child. I recall those days which were you were with us growing up age, where you went to school and all those things in Padmaranagar. And years have passed, and indirectly you are making me feel very old. And I must say that with all the modern trends which you have inculcated, you still hold on to our values, our customs and all those things. And you've got 2 amazing kids here. Both are, extraordinary in their especially respective ways. Kandu particularly, the way you have taught him to sing, his voice modulation at this age is too good. That speaks of the efforts what you have put in. Madhav has also given a lot of encouragement as husband, as father and all that. So I am so happy for you, and I wish that you get very happy and stay blessed. You are very blessed as it is. Stay blessed and be happy, and I look forward, I hope to see you for your Shashtibdi Murti next. It is about 20 years away. And all that you wish for, I pray God to give you all that you wish for in life. And it speaks of volumes about also, I should tell one word about Viji, Akka Viji I'm talking about. Her, both the children, the way she has brought up the children, the values and the particular traditions, the family bonding, which she still, inculcates in all that. So all that is great. So stay blessed and be happy. God bless you.
Hi Swami, many happy returns of the day.
Hello Swami, happy birthday. Happy 40th birthday. I can't believe you are entering the 40s club. Probably you should calculate this way, that you should start telling 31 plus 9, 32 plus 8, 33 plus 7. This way you can still for next 9 years on the 30s oda cling on pannalam. But having said all that, you look nowhere closer to 40s. So extremely happy for you, and you are same Adeda, the bubbly girl of Natarajan family, and have a great 40th birthday. Wish you happy birthday.
Happy birthday Swami. 40 years complete pandra. Memorable years. Today is a most memorable day. Have a great day and a great year. Love you, Swami.
Hi, Swami. Many happy returns of the day. One of the memories which I want to just share with you. So when we used to visit your place, Amma will call us for one of the occasions or for some functions or puja. So, Vayenda Moha Abdimba. Odane Moha as usual will say, Yedikidi Nangala Abdimba. So, Niana Pandra again the Budu Nodi on the Moha Mama Ni Vara Abdisha. So, Mama sits into accept anything like Nangalu Jalia on the 2. Odipedo.
Hi, Swami. Narpada. உனக்கு 40 20 40. ஆஹா, ஓஹோ, பேஷ் பேஷ். எப்படி இந்த மாதிரி கணக்கு பண்ணி அடிச்சிருக்க? 2020 40, மறக்க முடியாத 40. அப்புறம் இன்னொன்று தெரியுமா, நான் எங்கே போனாலும் ஒரு குரூப் வந்து நீங்கள் தான் அந்த சித்தப்பாவா அப்படின்னு அப்படி என்னை வந்து பூஸ்ட் பண்ணி என்னோட இதை, நான் எங்கேயாவது வெளியூர் போனாக்க நானே ஜோக் அடிச்சு நானே சிரிச்சுட்டு நான் தான் அந்த சித்தப்பா அப்படின்னு பேசிட்டு. வெரி குட். ஹாவ் அ கிரேட் இயர், great day, enjoy, have fun, wear mask all the time. Okay? Cheers!
Hi Soumi. I always remember you as a very meticulous, well-planned person. The way you guide your two boys, all that I silently look and admire.
Oh, you are also a guide, huh? So you are a Devanand fan. Okay. Continue.
So, my admiration on that. And here is wishing you for a wonderful milestone 40th birthday, Soumi. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Soumi!
Nande andi Chittappa. Bye.
Wishing you a very, very happy and special 40th birthday, Soumi. Hopefully we'll meet next year, fingers and toes crossed, and celebrate it properly. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful year ahead.
Jada Chonpapade, love you lots. Wishing you a milestone birthday. I know you don't want to hear about the 40th part there, but you're here, you're in the roaring 40s, and you're going to have a wonderful time of it. Wish we could be there to enjoy and to really celebrate this birthday together, but as we thought, we'll find another way to do it next year, and hopefully I'll see you soon. But thank you for being such a wonderful sister, for being such a wonderful aunt, and we love you lots. Okay, have a wonderful day and a great year. Bye.
Hello, Chomi. Wish you a happy birthday, many happy returns of the day, 40th birthday. Enjoy yourself and be happy. I have some small memories of early days when you were in the school sentence, because my weekly off is Monday. So that time mommy used to go to bank. So you used to come from the school and we used to spend time, and sometimes we go out and get something for eating also, maybe from the Maharaja Bakes or something, which is in Maratpalli. And definitely I don't remember much after that in the your school final everything, but some of the days I used to take you for a drive and drop you near the bus stop where you used to catch 40B for ICICI and go for Pullaredi College also for B.Pharm. Yes, you had a good time. Then you had spent also, you have taken the car and you used to drive, and those were the days we used to enjoy your company. And then you had a good husband, Madhav, good alliance came, and you are having a happy married life with the 2 children. Definitely you are blessed and you should be much happy than what you are now. So any shortcomings, leave it, take it the positive, and always you can cherish the memories. Be happy, and I wish you both a happy married life with the kids, and also go up to 60th or 80th birthday and have a good healthy life of both of you with the children. All the best. Once again I wish you many happy returns of the day, 40th birthday. Bye.
once her career path was very smooth up it. Although she wanted to become a medical career, but I think that's good. Whatever Jani has done for her. A medical is our husband and another God knows what is good for you, Swami. Only one character which I feel Swami is very good is very sincere girl. Very உழைப்பாளி எதை பண்ணினாலும் அதை ஃபுல் கமிட்மெண்டோட பண்ணுவோம். அறகுறையா பண்றதுல அவரோட அகராதி டிக்ஷனரியே கிடையாது. And one more thing, she is a perfectionist. Because she is a perfectionist, sometimes she suffers, but still that is her nature. ஆனால் எதை பண்ணினாலும் ரொம்ப சின்சியர் ஜென்யூனா பண்றோம். Let it be her work, let it be her relations. I think the video is becoming long, but I want to tell one thing very clearly is Swamiயோட ஒரு பெரிய கேரக்டரை ரொம்ப அட்மையர் பண்ணுவேன். பொண்ணா இருந்தா கூட எல்லா ரிலேஷன்ஸையும் ரொம்ப இன்டெகிரிட்டியோட ரொம்ப சின்சியரிட்டியோட she will what is நிபாஃபை ரொம்ப நிபாஃப் பண்ணுவோம். ஏன்னா வந்து அது யாராக தான் இருக்கட்டும். அது சும்மா அம்மா அவளுக்கு அந்த டிஃபரன்சியேஷனே கிடையாது. அம்மாவா எங்க அண்ணாவா இல்லை நான் அப்படி கிடையாது. மாமா மாதவோட அப்பா வந்தாலும் அதே ஜென்ரேஷன். இந்த மாமாக்கு ஏதாவது ஒரு உடம்புல மாதா she is more the father mama is more close with Swami also. Even மாதவ் baby சீனா கூட அதே தான் சுந்தரி அதே with Maliki. So let it be any relation this side or that side. She is very genuine. She wants all the relations. She wants all the genuinity. She wants all the sincerity and all the love. And how much she does, she expects from others. That is where sometimes she leads to the disappointment. But that's okay, Swami. That is life. எல்லாரும் நம்மள மதிக்க எடுத்துட்டானா அப்போ உலகம் மாதிரி எல்லாம் கலந்து கட்டியாதான் நம்ம உலகம். So don't worry. Be happy. Take life as it comes. You be good as you are. God will always give you all the good things. We never know. We'll never know the good things are just around the corner at home. So always be happy. Have a great birthday. Madhav told ரெண்டு மூணு நாள் கொஞ்சம் வாங்கிக்கிறாங்க. அங்கே எல்லாரும் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் சேர்ந்து பண்ணுறா. So anyway, good. Enjoy. நாங்களாம் we are all in spirit there only. Okay, though in presence we are not there. Have a great birthday, Swami. Happy birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swami Atta.